Hi guys, so this is just going to be my final review on my RPGShow wig, and as you know, RPGShow wigs come in this box here. Yeah, and mine is empty. I just used to store my wig, just has like the plastic and stuff in it, but I'll go ahead and leave in the description bar below this unit that I got and the specs of the hair. So I got this hair last year, 2014, and we have had this now for either a month or 2 months. Now you need to understand something about wigs. The wigs are famous for being long lasting. That is why I have recently made the decision to put my hairs that I get the wefted hair on wig caps, because wigs last a long time. You can have a wig, a unit for years. Now with RPGShow wigs, I have never, and I'm being honest, I have never ever run into any problems with RPGShow wigs. Now with this one, I did encounter a few problems with the part that's golden, that's ombre. By the way, this comes naturally ombre by the company. This wig style is naturally ombre, but it's not a bang. I put the bang in there, so you can have it so it's straight, so you can do a center part, middle part, side part, whatever you want to do, but I cut the bangs in, so it does not come with the bang. So do listen to me now, can no somebody write in a comment that it come with the bang after me just say it don't come with the bang. No, it does not come with the bang. I cut the bang in because I wanted a unit that had a bang. So the only problem I had, as I said, is just this golden part. When I just got it, it was extremely trashy. It was really dry, and all I did, I just silicone mixed it. And if you Google silicone, if you Google silicone mix, no man, put it to the side or something. Yeah, so if I Google silicone mix, then you'll see it pop up. But that's what I used on the hair, and I used it specifically on the colored bits of the hair, the part that's colored. Yeah, I used it specifically on that area. Did that, had the hair sitting in it for overnight, washed it out, and then bam, this shiny. You see that shiny? And that's why I think I have a video up now, I get ready with me video, and I'll link that in the description bar below. That's why I have it wrapped like into like a bun, because of the whole it being dry thing. And I was worried. I was like, yo, yeah, my hair. And that has never happened to me before. I have another unit that the ombre hair, I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but that ombre hair, I've never had the hair being dry. Like, that has never happened to me before with a unit. So yeah, so just in case you get any unit that's colored and it has it's a little bit dry, you know, like, oh my gosh, my hair's ruined, simple, just use silicone mix, or you can use a conditioner. Whatever conditioner you want to use is up to you. Just slather it in some conditioner, put it in like a plastic bag. That's what I do. Have it sit overnight, or you can pop it in the microwave, whatever you want to do. But I just let mine sit, and it doesn't really depend on how long it let it sit for. I would say at most probably an hour, but I had mine sitting overnight in silicone mix, so you know, like, that was some serious deep conditioning. Yeah, so I have to have my fan on. It's so hot. Right, so what else about this hair? This hair is, I believe, 16 inches. Yeah, I believe this hair is 16 inches long, and I love the color. I love, the thing is though, I think it's unfair, because with RPGShow wigs, I don't think they can go wrong, because it's a wig. You can have a unit for years, I believe. Makes sense for years and years with the proper hair. And if you only have like one wig, then you know, say wife it up. You treat it just as how you would your natural hair. Probably treat it once a month, or depending if the hair is colored, so probably twice a month. You just take care of it. Now, related to the maintenance of this hair, it is very low maintenance. The only time I had to put any work in was the time that I had to deep condition it with the silicone mix. Other than that, I did not have to put any work in. I just flat iron it, brush it through, and I'm good to go. This unit, man, I mean, just like, even the quality of the hair that RPGShow uses, it's really soft. So like, I guess it depends on the texture that you get, but I really love how soft it is, silky, smooth. You can run your fingers through it. I love it. I absolutely love this wig, love the company, love the unit. Now I don't want to ramble. The point is, I would definitely recommend this hair company. You can't beat the packaging, because with this packaging you can store your hair in the box. I mean, it takes the guesswork out of it, and if the box is too bulky for you, then bubble, don't you worry honey, because there's a bag in there. So I put my hair in the bag, in the box. Yeah, so yeah, that's basically it. I don't have anything else to report. I'll leave, as I said, the specs of the hair in the description bar below, and also a link where you can go and purchase. But yeah, that's basically it. The ear turn up, I'm still a rocket. It's been 2 months now, I believe. Yeah, we're almost February, almost finished. So yeah, definitely a company worth investing in. There is nothing else I can say. So I guess I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to RPGShow for actually sending me this unit to review. Means a lot to me, because to me RPGShow is one of those big companies that, yo, I can't believe these people want to work with me, man. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's basically it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.